Up here, in the rolling foothills of the Sierra Nevada, just outside the historic town of Volcano, there's a place where the pace of life slows, and the land begins to speak. Nearly 55 acres of private, two-parcel land, a property that unfolds quietly, revealing open meadows that catch the morning light, and groves of mature native trees that offer shade, shelter, and a sense of permanence. This is land that hasn't been rushed. It has been allowed to become exactly what it is, a canvas of rolling terrain, wildflowers along the edges, and wildlife moving freely through the meadows. And then there's the water. Year-round natural springs flowing through the property, sustaining the lush landscape and everything that depends on it. In a region where water is both rare and precious, this feature alone sets the property apart, enhancing its value, its utility, its possibilities. Tucked discreetly off Charleston Road, the land offers seclusion without isolation. The historic town of Volcano is just minutes away, a place where history lives in the streets, in the local theater, in the community store. Beyond that, Amador County opens up. Vineyards, tasting rooms, hiking trails, lakes, and scenic roads that carry you deeper into the Sierra Foothills. Two parcels sold together provide flexibility, whether held as a single estate or planned in phases for the future. Properties like this, with natural water, open meadows, and true privacy, are increasingly elusive, making this opportunity extraordinary. This is more than just land. It is space. It is a resource. It is possibility. And in a place like this, that may be the most valuable thing of all.